Introducing the OptiWand Pink. Assuming you know how this functions will likely lead to failure. Please view this entire video to improve your ability to use it properly. Soft contact lenses have microscopic holes in them for breathability and comfort. This makes them impossible to remove by suction. Apply eye drops prior to insertion and removal for lubrication. Applying eye drops is a must. Lubrication is necessary for proper transfer of soft lenses. Complete the insertion process as fast as possible to keep the lens from sticking to the wand. Focus on the center hole and draw to the eye until the lens touches the eye gently. Twist the wand. Blink until comfortable. You cannot suction soft lenses out by simply placing the wand to the lens. Soft lenses must be pinched or pushed out. Best finger pinching position is very high on the base. To practice removal, place a soft lens on your non-dominant hand's index finger. Then pinch it off a couple of times to visualize the process. Many clients make the same mistakes using the OptiWand. Please do not give up. Practice and patience are a must. Creativity is encouraged. Some have discovered new ways to insert or remove lenses. Available online only.